All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show how I use the microneedling pen. To start out with, I always like to wear gloves. I don't know, I just feel a little bit more secure about that. I'm gonna wipe my face with some alcohol to disinfect it. So do that. I'm gonna use the 36 needle cartridge. Take this off. So you can see there's the needles. And then I always like to use hyaluronic acid so that way it glides easier. And then I like to do one way, and then I'll go back and do vertical. I won't do my whole face on camera just to save time, but